Never go against the momentum unless a reversal is clear. I don't know how many times I've said this on the record now. I would argue thousands of times I've said this. But this is a law that I've created for myself as a trader. More than 5, 6 years ago, I've lost count how many years I've been saying this. It's a law that governs the way that I look at the market, and that's why I decided to not try to take any trades during this consolidation period. If you look back at what the analysis I posted earlier today spoke to, if you look back at it, you will see where I said that trading in this period, with this consolidation period, is extremely dangerous because there's no momentum. I also said that if the market breaks out to the low, it could probably buy. If it breaks out to the high, it could probably sell. Interestingly enough, it broke out to the high, took out the sellers at the high, and then continued to buy. Meaning, buyers would have been induced to buy, but this move would have taken them out. Sellers would have been interested, and this move would have also taken them out. And now gold is buying again, following the overall trajectory and the overall momentum of gold, right? If we look at gold, ultimately, gold is a bull market. Now, I was in a conversation with a dude in a group chat a little while ago, and he said to do a top down analysis on gold, and that will tell me everything I need to know about why you should be selling gold. And if I'm being honest with myself, I cannot see a sell. It does not make sense to me because gold has hit the same exact high 4 times, meaning anybody selling here at this point in time, even if it is for a little while, is at extreme risk of being extremely destroyed. Because my question to you is, why would gold give you, the seller, such a good opportunity to sell 4 times in a row? Gold is at the all-time high. It just literally kissed the all-time high, according to this person here. It literally just did that. Why would it then give you an all-time best potential entry to sell? I would argue that even this candle is literally trying to induce sellers at this point in time. Right? Let's see what these first two, these new mines coming in. Right? So nothing else here. I think we should stop trading. Gold is the all-time high. Target to, so nobody's really. I should hope that nobody is falling for this. But I can tell you that there are people trying to sell gold again off the all-time high. My problem with this is, why would the dealer give you a good opportunity to sell? How is that advantageous to him? Is that advantageous to him? Let me ask on the higher time frame again. Who is interested here and here and here and here? Sellers, meaning their stop losses would be above this level. So why wouldn't the dealer hit those stop losses above that level? Why wouldn't he? Think about all of the traders who are interested in sells right around here and right now. They're seeing the market going all time high. I'm sure I could put on some stupid indicator and it'll say that gold is extremely overbought. Let's test the theory. RSI, Relative Strength Index. I'm positive that it's overbought, meaning that it should sell now, right? But that's the problem. My problem is, these are exact things that are designed to induce. And something that I've learned, anytime something seems and feels too obvious, it probably is. This is setting up for a trap, in my opinion, right? Look, somebody here is saying who's buying the all-time high. Now, don't get me wrong. By no means am I saying you should be buying this, but I am saying it is extremely dangerous to sell here in hopes that it is going to come crashing back down. I am also not saying that gold is not going to sell. What I am saying is, trying to sell here without confirmation of momentum back in the bearish direction is extremely, extremely dangerous. My point, it comes back to what I said at the start of this. Look, watch, watch. 1 minute ago, people balling short. They're crying out shorts, shorts, shorts. It goes to show that people are still very much being induced. So why is it that you're seeing all of this momentum, you're seeing things lining up with bull momentum, and yet you want to sell? That is because that's what you've been conditioned to believe. Again, by no means, I want to make this clear, by no means am I saying that this is not going to sell. I'm saying that that selling here is extremely dangerous. It is extremely dangerous. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame quickly. Good. So we have now candles coming in, nice big rejection. Interesting. But then, shouldn't it then continue to drop? Maybe it will. But what is the confirmation that it is? What, this 1 wick? Are you treating your entire trade on the basis of one 50-minute candle that hasn't even closed yet? Come on, man. Use your common sense, use your brain. So, in my opinion, this is just something that I wanted to highlight today. Uh, Selling it here is extremely dangerous. I definitely would not buy at this point because I would need to see something that suggests that buyers who did buy were taken out, and then I might feel a little more inclined to buy. But selling here is definitely a no-no, especially given that on the monthly time frame we have four taps to that extreme high, where we know buyers, sellers stop losses, sorry, would be above that level. I do not see a sell here, in my opinion. Just my 2 cents.